Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy sentiment score of -0.06 in finance. This is particularly interesting given that momentum has jumped to +0.19 over the past 24 hours. You might think these two metrics would correlate positively, but here we're witnessing a divergence that could signal a shift in underlying market dynamics. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can drill down into specific themes driving this sentiment. Imagine using this to refine your trading strategies. You could identify which topics within finance are currently fueling negative sentiment, providing you with actionable insights to adjust your positions accordingly. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.